While starting a project, we have daily communication with our client to understand their requirement precisely. So this helps us to understand the exact requirement and deliver based on that. For this, you always need to remember that whenever something good is done by the sales team, you need to appreciate them, and there will be ups and downs throughout the journey, but you cannot lose your motivation for that. You always need to try your best. When a customer has different goals for different solutions, what we need to do is initially we need to discuss what are the priorities, and based on that we need to prioritize our work and deliver them accordingly. So communication is a key skill here. So what we do is we first discuss in details what needs to be delivered and what is the highest priority, and based on that we deliver that. So there are three fundamentals for this. First, the sales team needs to be supportive and collaborative. The second is that the salesperson or the sales team needs to understand the client's requirements specifically. And third and the lastly is you should be open to critical feedback. So based on that you need to improve yourself and make yourself better. Over the years we came to realize that there is no end to learning. So whenever a negative feedback or a constructive criticism is given to us, we take that opportunity to grow and improve ourselves. We are not there for the one-time project. When we work with the client, we want to help them grow their business and maintain a long-term relationship. When we see the happy faces of our client, it is much bigger than any achievement awards we can get. So we give our 100% every time.